Good morning po. Buenos bon dia po. Again, we are here in Portuguese to English. Portuguese expressions and English translation to English expressions. So what I cannot forget is I always go around when I am in Angola. I am driving a vehicle. So I learned this one thing, prohibido estacionar. So it means no parking. So this is just a small contribution to your knowledge of a foreign language. So what I like to do is small expressions, because it's easier to learn the language through the expressions and their translations to English. So I would like to say good morning for the next day, and telogo sa susunod po.